Now let's look at how easy it is to install. The AutoFaucet with surround sensor technology. Prior to installation, remove the AutoFaucet components from the box and check to make sure you have all of the components. We will be using this universal tool available by Technical Concepts to install this faucet. First, remove the existing faucet. Begin by shutting off the incoming water supply lines to the existing faucet, and then open hot and cold controls on the faucet to drain the water from the supply lines. Using a container or towel to catch any remaining water, disconnect existing supply hoses. Once all the hoses and mounting hardware have been disassembled, remove the existing faucet. Clean countertop surface or sink rim well and wipe dry. Note: pipe dope, Teflon tape, or plumber's putty is not required. The use of any of these will void the warranty on this faucet. Step 1. Installing the threaded cover plate studs. Step 2. Installing the semi-assembled faucet into the sink. Step 3. Secure the faucet in place with washers and hex nuts. Step 4. Installing the grounding tab washer and sensor washer. Please note, the grounding tab and sensor tab should be 180 degrees apart. Step 5. Next, connect the mixing valve with the supply line hoses to the valve control box by first connecting the two supply lines to the mixing valve and tighten. Then place a rubber washer in the mixing valve nut fitting. Be sure that the washer is placed flat, and then securely fasten with a wrench to the valve control module. Step 6. Connect the green Y isolation wire to the U tab. Finish by connecting the Y adapter and two remaining green grounding wires. Step 7. Connect the valve control module to the faucet shank. Note: make sure the black rubber washer is in the white plastic nut before connecting the valve control module to the faucet shank. Step 8. Mount the earth ground clamp to the cold water supply pipe. Step 9. Connect the longer green earth ground wire to the clamp tab. Step 10. Mount the drain ground clamp on the metal drain tailstock as close to the sink as possible. Step 11. Connect the shorter green drain ground wire to the clamp tab. Step 12. Connect the ring terminal on the green Y isolation wire to the cover plate stud. Fasten with lock washer and remaining hex nut. Step 13. Connect the other end of the green Y isolation wire to the sink grounding washer. Step 14. Connecting the battery compartment and battery power wires. Determine a convenient location to mount the battery compartment. Once a good location is determined and unit has been mounted by using either the provided screws and anchors or double-sided tape, then install the provided 4D cell alkaline batteries. Connect the black battery valve power connector to the battery connector. Step 15. Connect the black sensor wire to the sensor washer. Step 16. Finish connecting the water supply hose to the valve stops. Then turn on the hot and cold water. Your faucet is now operational. You will hear a clicking sound once you place your hand under the faucet. For further assistance, please review the frequently asked questions on our website or contact us for technical assistance.